Hi, this is Ron Janish. I'm going to show you something that Dr. Andrews showed me, but I'm not going to complicate it with all the rules and stuff. It's really simple, really straightforward. Uh, there are times when you can draw something we call the green line and find the high rather easily. See how this happened? Now, when this occurs, very often there will be a counter move of 10% or more. And so if you take the high here, 41.40, and then went down to 34.58, that was quite a counter move. Let's see how this actually worked in something bigger and better that's a bit more liquid, called the S&P. Now, there are only certain times when it's actually used, and we cover those specific rules in the, whoops, how the heck with that, I'll just ignore that for now, in the Andrews course. So if you go to andrewscourse.com, you can find that. Let's see. Prices went to the high at the green line here and reversed. Tested it again and down we go. Down about move of about 10% over a period of several weeks. This is a weekly chart. Let's look back in time and notice how back with the high in '07, prices went up to the green line and reversed. Okay. Let's take a look at this in Apple. Did it find the high in Apple? Let's see. Whoops, didn't draw it right. You got to be careful when drawing these things. There we go. Prices went to the green line and reversed. And quickly there was a down counter move, 131 down to 123 immediately. But then we had the much more than 10% down move after that. Let's see if it found the other top in Apple. Ah, here we go. Low, high, low. Boom, up to the green line. Spend a little time above it. But the important thing is the last day here was a little above the green line and below, and that was it. Okay. Here's XEL. Now here's one where that hasn't had the counter move yet. So when you see this video, you'll be able to take a look and see what happened. So you can see prices went up to the green line and reversed. But and the first target is this blue line here, but we're really looking for a whole lot more. And the whole lot more is typically your a good 10 to 20% down move. How about Microsoft? Here, you notice from here to here was a pretty good correction of about 20%. Prices went right up to the green line, reversed, and did a 20% correction, which lasted several months. Now, this green line phenomena is something that we teach in the course. There are specific rules in using it, and most of the time it's not used. It's used rather sparingly in order to find times when the market is likely to engage in a counter move of 10, 20%. This is one of the things that Dr. Andrews taught me privately at the kitchen table. And if you'd like to join us, please go to andrewscourse.com. All one word, ANDREWSCOURSE.com.